Hello and good day, dear customers. Welcome to our HAVO Academy. My name is Dirk Finkenrath, and on today's tutorial I would like to present to you our product HAVO Plus HPL 500DV. Information on model options and accessories can be found in our product brochure. Installation of the device is quite simple, so please use a stable support or working table. Connect one end of the original mains cable to the machine, the other end to a suitable power supply, here 230 volts. Switch the machine on and after a short starting sequence, the machine will automatically heat up to the programmed temperature. Programming of a suitable sealing temperature for our packaging material at hand can be done easily and intuitively via temperature controller. Here in our example we'll be using 150 degrees centigrade. As you can see, the machine reacts instantly and is increasing temperature to the new nominal value. During application, you may choose a new setting on the pouch guide, here for example 20 millimeters. Then fill your product into the packaging material at hand. Insert the pouch by passing the pouch guide. Welding is done automatically and you have your perfect result. Thank you for watching, and just a final tip. Do you actually know our innovative Nanopack family, now available in customized color schemes? For more information, please use the link below.